Hi everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you the 5 game-changing CapCut editing tricks in 2025. This guide that will level up your mobile video editing. Let's get started. For the smooth zoom transitions using keyframes, here's how to do it. All you need to do is to add 2 clips. Tap the first clip and add a keyframe at the start and the end. Then zoom in slightly on the keyframe and do the opposite in the next clip for the seamless zoom position. And here you can also add a 3D perspective photo effect. Just import a still image and use a keyframes to animate scale and position and slightly rotate your editing. And then lay your background blur or gradient behind the image. This is perfect for reels or animated or cinematic edits. Then to text tracking with motion keyframes, here's how to do it. All you need to do is to add a video and tap text and write your title. Use a keyframes to text layer and move it frame by frame with the subject. And this helps you follow hands, faces, or cars. And you can also add a glow neon outline effects if you want. And add a velocity speed drop. Just tap video and go to the edits and click the speed and curve and combine the flash effects. And that's it. If you found this video tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.